Welcome back, my dear friends, to Learn Gujarati. Today we learn some essential Gujarati words for emergency. In that, the very first is emergency. For emergency, in Gujarati, we can say apatkalin. I am repeating one more time. Emergency is equals apatkalin. Safe. It means salamat in Gujarati. Safe is equals salamat in Gujarati. And if you want to say stay safe, so in Gujarati, we can say salamat raho. The very next is danger is equals jokham in Gujarati. Danger is equals jokham. Danger is equals jokham in Gujarati. The very next is help is equals madad. Help is equals madad in Gujarati. So, if you want to say help me in Gujarati, we can say મને મદદ કરો. The very next is cooperation. In Gujarati, we can say સહકાર. For cooperation, in Gujarati, we can say સહકાર. The very next is panic. In Gujarati, we can say ઘબરાહટ. For panic, in Gujarati, we can say ઘબરાહટ. If you want to say don't panic, in Gujarati, we can say ઘબરાઓ નહીં. For don't panic, in Gujarati, we can say ઘબરાહો નહીં. Calm is equals શાંત in Gujarati. Calm is equals શાંત in Gujarati. Follow. In Gujarati, we can say પાલન કરો. Follow the guidelines. In Gujarati, we can say સૂચનાઓનું પાલન કરો. Follow the guidelines. In Gujarati, we can say સૂચનાઓનું પાલન કરો. Guidelines is equals સૂચનાઓ. Safe place. સુરક્ષિત સ્થળ. Safe place is equals સુરક્ષિત સ્થળ. Rumors is equals અફવાઓ in Gujarati. Rumors is equals અફવાઓ in Gujarati. So, if you want to say don't spread rumors in Gujarati, we can say અફવાઓ ના ફેલાવો. My dear friends, this is my WhatsApp and Telegram channel where you will get daily dose of Gujarati learning. So, please follow both of the channels to get daily material on Gujarati learning. Thank you so much for watching this video and subscribe my YouTube channel to get more videos. Till then, Jai Shri Krishna.